Hey, I'm Pusher, and this is another Music Minute where we talk about how music works. And today we're talking about some common rhythms that you're likely to see. Let's say we're working with a bar of 4/4, or 4/4 note beats. The obvious and most simple combinations are a whole note, 1, 2, 3, 4. Two half notes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or 4/4 notes, 1, 2, 3, 4. You could combine halves and quarters, 1, 2, 3, 4. You could use dotted half notes to create notes that last 3 beats, 1, 2, 3, 4. For all of those rhythms, every single note lands right on one of the 4 beats. You can diminish, make smaller, or augment, make larger, any of those rhythms to create other possibilities as well. So a quarter-half-quarter rhythm could be diminished by 50% to create this rhythm, 1/8 quarter 1/8. It's the same rhythm, but now you would perform it at twice the speed. So it may sound or feel more complicated, but it's the exact same principle applied on a smaller scale. So all of these simple, short rhythmic groups that we've got can be sped up or slowed down or combined to create more complex rhythms. When you add tuplets and rests into the mix, rhythms can become even more complicated and interesting. And that's your Music Minute.